Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to PC Gaming Pulse, where we're all about helping you build the ultimate gaming rig for your buck. Today, we're going to explore 3 incredible gaming PC builds that cater to different budgets and preferences. First up, let's talk budget. We've got a fantastic starter build that won't break the bank. With an Intel Core i5 13400F processor, 16 GB of RAM, and an AMD Radeon RX 7600 graphics card, this machine will deliver smooth 1080p performance for under $900. But what really sets this build apart is the power supply. We've opted for a Be Quiet, Pure Power 12750W unit, which not only provides plenty of headroom for future upgrades, but also ensures your system stays safe and reliable. And with a 1TB WD Black SN 7100 SSD, you'll have plenty of storage space for your games and files. Now, let's move on to our mid-range build. With an AMD Ryzen 7 7700X processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 graphics card, this system will deliver top-notch performance at a more affordable price point. We've also included 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and a Lexar NM792TB NVMe drive for added speed and storage. One of the standout features of this build is its cooling system. The Thermalright Peerless Assassin 120 SE cooler provides excellent heat dissipation, ensuring your components stay cool even during intense gaming sessions. Last but certainly not least, we have our top-of-the-line build. With an AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 graphics card, this system is the ultimate gaming beast. We've also included a 4TB Lexar NM790 SSD for plenty of storage space and 64 GB of DDR5 RAM for maximum performance. The RTX 5090 is truly a powerhouse, offering unparalleled gaming performance and features like DLSS 4 and multi-frame generation support. And with the Ryzen 7 9800X 3D processor, this system is perfectly suited to take advantage of its capabilities. So there you have it, 3 incredible gaming PC builds that cater to different budgets and preferences. Whether you're a casual gamer or an enthusiast, we've got something for everyone. At PC Gaming Pulse, we're all about helping you build the ultimate gaming rig that fits your style and budget. Now, let's talk about what really matters: getting the best value for your money. With our expert team and comprehensive guides, you can trust that every component we recommend is top-notch and worth your investment. So what are you waiting for? Start building your dream gaming PC today and experience the thrill of gaming like never before.